Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own AI chatbot. First, you will want to paste the snapshot link in your browser. I'm going to put it in the description below. Let it load here and import now. Then you will just press X. Also, if you're interested in the AI caller, AI receptionist, or appointment reminder automations, then go check out my community. It's completely for free. The link is down below. So next, you're going to go into sub-accounts. I'm not going to show you this because I don't want to show you all my clients' information, but it will show you each sub-account in your Go High level. All you have to do is click the 3 dots in the bottom right and then press Manage Client. I'll see you there in a second. Excellent. Now that we're here, we're going to go to Actions, Snapshot Actions, Load Snapshot. And then you will go down to Chatbot and Proceed. And then Proceed, select all, Proceed. And type in confirm. Excellent. Now it is in your sub account. Now what you do is click this and then go into your sub account. Again, I'm going to skip to this because I don't want to show you all of my clients' information. All right, now we are in the sub account. So all you want to do is go into AI agents, go into conversation AI, and click on agents list. That is where you'll see the bot template. So you're going to click on the bot template. Actually, first, sorry. You're going to go out, click this, and set as primary. Confirm. Now you'll go into the bot template. And now we are in the training section. So this is where we set up the bot, and then we can test it out over here. Now that we're here, we're going to check out these settings and go into knowledge-based triggers and create new. Name it whatever you want and create. You're going to use the 2 documents that I give you down below. First is the bot training template, and second is the chatbot training cleaning prompt. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the chatbot training template and you're going to fill that out. Then you're going to paste it into ChatGPT along with the cleaning prompt. Then when that's ready, you're going to put it into a Google Doc. After that, we will put that Google Doc into the knowledge base. All right, so as you can see, I've pasted my prompt into ChatGPT, and then I've pasted the cleaning prompt as well. So also I filled all this out, obviously. So just send that cleaning prompt, and then wait for it to spit back out the clean version. So I did it for a bowling alley in Utah, so I'm going to copy and then place it into my new bot training document. All right, so now I've placed the entire prompt into my new bot training document. Now we are going to File, Download PDF, and then take it back into Go High Level to create a knowledge base. Go into Files, Add Files, Upload from Computer, and put your bot training document right here. I've already done this, which is why it shows here. It will be processing for a second. After about 10-20 seconds, it'll be completely processed and it will be trained. Once that's ready, we'll go back into our conversation AI. So AI agents, conversation AI, agents list, and our bot template. And you will go into knowledge-based triggers, add knowledge-based trigger, and add the one that we just did. I already have it, so I'm just going to leave it there. You also will want to go into here and put your appointment booking. So what this is whenever your chatbot needs to book somebody on the calendar, this is the calendar that you put them on. You're going to press proceed and then copy these settings. There is some validity to having this on, but a lot of people, including myself, already have those workflows triggering, so there's no need. Then just press save. I've also enabled contact follow-up for you. So whenever somebody is mid-conversation and stops answering, the bot will follow up a couple of times. You will also want to double check one thing. Go into channels and mode and make sure this is on autopilot. If it's off, just go in here and click autopilot. They're easy. Everything else I have set up for you here, here, and here. And as you can see, I've placed the chatbot personality prompt already in here. If you haven't done that already, just take the prompt that I have linked below and place it in here. Once you've done this, you are all ready to finally test your bot. So I did this on a bowling alley, so I'm just going to say I want to bowl. And let's see what the bot says. So as you can see, I had a little conversation with the bot here. I just said I went to bowl, and it gives you some basic information, which is excellent. And it asks if you have a specific time in mind. You'll see that this bot is configured in a way that each conversation is moving towards a meeting. That is perfect and exactly how we want it to work. Obviously, it's 10, 11 at night. There's no times available. However, the bot did offer some times available on Monday. So all I would have to do is say one of those times. So let's say 9 a.m. I would say 9 a.m. The bot would say, great, get my contact details. I would give the bot the contact details, and it would book me in for bowling at 9 a.m. on Monday. This is super well created, and it is very efficient. You don't have to answer people all day, every day anymore. Additionally, if you do not like how the bot is answering anything, that is why you test things. All you're going to do is press this and change this response to whatever you want it to say. Once you've done that, click your knowledge base so that it saves into the knowledge base for the next time somebody asks that question, and then press chain bot. So now you have your chatbot, but how do you put it on your website? We will start here in our sub account. We'll go into sites, chat widget, and new. So we're gonna have live chat as our chat widget. And here we are. So this is how your widget will be in your website. Imagine this is your website here. So what I like to do, I don't really like this avatar image, so I like to turn that off personally. You can also put the chatbot, which they call the widget, anywhere you want in the website. So that's pretty cool. I like the bottom right. I think it's solid. You can actually also go into appearances and change what it looks like and change the color. You can also go in here and do a custom color. We'll do purple. And you can change the icon as well, which is pretty cool. And you can even add your own icon. So if you want your business logo, you can have it as your icon for your chat widget, which is, it's pretty cool. All of this is pretty unnecessary, but having it set up properly is the thing that you need to worry about. And we'll get there in just a second. You can also add in your welcome message, and you can add in custom greetings for people who have already spoken to the chatbot in the past. Now we get into the chat window, and this is where you can put in all of the custom stuff. So this is actually already pretty well set up, so I like to leave it, but you can honestly change anything you want. One more important thing, go into additional options, put your title and display name. I just do powered by my company, We Scale For You. And then really important, you need to put in your website. This is very important that you put in the URL here. Additionally, leave this check on and that check on as well. As you can see, I put in my website here. So when you click on this, it takes you straight into your website. So how do you put this on your website? Simply press get code. It will bring up a code. I'm not going to show you mine because I don't want you to steal it. So all you do is copy that code and put it in the HTML of your website. It will auto-populate in the bottom right, just like it has here, or wherever you put it, but bottom right. Additionally, if you have a website on Go High Level, that's even easier. Just go back, go into website. So I just chose a completely random website because I don't feel like configuring mine right now. However, if you do want to make a website in under 5 minutes, go check out the school community, and that is in there. And I'm not lying, I timed it. It is literally done in under 5 minutes. It is ridiculous. And to be honest, it looks way better than even this. So definitely go check that out. So all you need to do is go back, go into settings, scroll down to chat widget, and just click on your chat widget. That's it, press save, and your chat widget is now live on your website. So as you can see, the chat widget is at the bottom of this website here. And that was super easy on Go High Level. Again, if you aren't using a website from Go High Level, all you need to do is take the code from the chat widget and then paste it in the HTML of your website. It will auto-populate down here, just like this did here. So last thing to double check before you're done, go back into Go High Level. From here, go into AI agents, conversation AI, and agents list. So go into your bot template. And once you're here, go into channels and mode. As long as your live chat is blue, that means it's on, and your chat widget is live with your chatbot. So I hope you found this video valuable. It really is extremely easy to put your chatbot/chat widget onto your website, and it really takes no time at all. So if you like this video, go check out the school community down below. That is where I have everything from creating the chatbot to building a website in under 5 minutes to building an AI receptionist in under 5 minutes and so much more. So if you want a ton of free stuff, just go click on that link below and it's all yours completely for free. That said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.